Hi, and welcome to our review of the Cloud Massage Machine. So this is a professional foot massager for the foot, ankle, and calves that gives you a deep Shiatsu massage technique. So this is going to help improve the blood flow to the foot, help stimulate, and provide relaxation. So it's often used by people who are working on their feet all day and then suffer from really sore feet. You know how when you're on your feet all day and the next morning you can really feel it? Well, this might help you with that uncomfortable feeling. And also if you like to hike or have a job where you don't really get any relief from being on your feet, you might find that using this after work will give you that much needed massage to get your feet feeling better. What's nice about this machine is that you can use this on your feet and calves, because sometimes you need a little extra massage to go up your legs, and that's especially helpful after you've been working out or on your feet for long periods of time. And you can choose from 5 settings for relaxation. There's the rolling massage, compression therapy, a sway function that helps loosen joints, a heat function, and then also a quiet mode, and that just helps you relax. And you can also choose your levels of intensity. So this has 3 different levels, and you can just adjust that depending on what's comfortable for you. It's best to start out at the lowest level first, and then kind of work your way up to avoid any discomfort. So for some helpful tips, the best time to use this machine is when you can dedicate at least 15 minutes of relaxation time. Many people like to use it just before bed or while watching TV. Do start out with the lowest settings for the first few times so you can get to know the machine and your comfort level. Read all of the instructions first because there's lots of helpful information in their booklet, and give yourself a few days to get familiar with the settings and how it works. We hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.